Come on, buddy, get in the video. Where are you going, man? Where are you going? Come on. What is going on, guys? Tonight we're gonna be filming a video that I've been wanting to film with this car for a very long time. We're gonna be going to the drag strip and getting some times. We're gonna be racing some fast cars tonight. We have a bunch of people coming out, so it's gonna be an awesome video. There she is, guys. Finally out of the shop for a little while. Okay, thanks, Dad. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So this car is completely stock. It's a 2023 Corvette. All it has is a catless mid-pipe, so there's no cats in the car at all. Everything else is factory. Oh my, okay. That car is a 5.0 bolt-on car. We got an LT1 Camaro. We have like a 700 horsepower Supra and then another 700 horsepower Supra over there. So if I can get these guys to race, then it should be a pretty fun night. So much forged carbon. Hey Arius, what do you think I'm gonna run tonight, buddy?
I don't know. 10 something.
10 something? Hell no, man. My car's slow. Oh God, the real fast cars pulled up. Well, basically, we got kicked out of that gas station because we were holding up pumps. Understandable. We're pretty annoying. So now we're headed to another gas station to meet up with everybody before going into the drag strip. And then we're going to run this thing and figure out what it runs. It's probably gonna be pretty slow, but it's a stock car, so what do you expect? Car guys for literally no reason at all. Daggone, those lights are bright. All right. Dude, tonight's looking like a great turnout. Holy crap, there's a lot of fast cars here. Hey sir, that thing is chopping. All right, so we're at the track and the line's a little bit longer than I expected. All right guys, so this is my buddy Cameron and he is one of the guys I'm gonna be racing today. All right Cameron, so tell us what you have in this car.
It's a 4.6 fully forged with a 2.8 Canyon Bell Supercharger, the Mammoth kit. Not much to it, it's on a big pulley, sitting right at 600 to the wheel. It's a 5-speed stick car, so take it with a grain of salt here. But we're gonna see what it runs tonight against the C8.
Let's see if you can hook up.
Let's see.
Dang buddy, you have enough meat back here?
Just enough. It's on a ET Mickey street tire, so it's not a full radial, just a street radial. Sitting on some Race Stars 15s. Let's hope I hook. It's on I think 325s.
Do you know what I'm running right now?
What are you running?
All seasons. All right guys, well here we are in the staging lanes. There's the 3-valve right there that we're gonna be racing. Camera's driving that right now. So first time racing this car. Get some POV action. And hopefully some of the guys over there are gonna be filming from the outside, so.
Don't let it get you down. Hey.
It's my first time running this one. I ain't never ran it before.
Hey.
You gonna do a burnout? You ready? Okay. That felt pretty good. Launch control does so good on these cars. Oh my gosh. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yes, sir. All right. Looks like we ran an 11.31 at 121. That's not too bad for our first run. I think Chevrolet advertises like an 11.2. So, I mean, I'm pretty happy with that. Hell yeah.
For you there at the end.
Why? He was catching up?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of you, buddy. Here.
myself.
Your belt stayed on. That's honestly that is honestly the biggest achievement of this entire day. It's the biggest achievement.
That's all we wanted.
That's all that happens. That belt stay on. It stayed on.
All right, guys, about to get the second run of the night over with. We're gonna be racing my buddy Gabe. He has a 2020 Supra. I believe it makes like 650 horsepower. So, but he's on a hard tire tonight. He's not on his drag slicks. Hey, Gabe. can't believe he put the flashers on me. That's disrespectful. Appreciate it.
Yep, yep.
All right, let's see here. Dang, Gabe ran a 10.6 at 136, and I ran an 11.4 at 121. All right. Dang, what the heck is in that road? Well, at least we're getting pretty consistent 11.3, 11.4s. Same mile per hour. Damn, Gabe, why'd you have to put the flashers on me like that, man? That was so disrespectful. I was like, oh.
Just so happens I get my best pass of the night.
I know, I was like, wow, you know, you were running, what, an 11.7 earlier?
Yeah, I went 10.6.
Yeah, I hate you. It would be against me, too. Hey, that was a good run, though. Good job, buddy. All right, guys, we're on race number 3, and we're racing something that I want to own so bad. That something would be a 2019 ZR1. And that thing looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. Now it is on all seasons, and I think it's pretty much stock except for a cold air intake, but I'm curious to see what it'll do against this car. All right, guys, well, as you expected, I lost that round. I went 11.5, which was my worst run of the night, and he went a 10.9. Crazy. Cameron, why is your car on the trailer, man?
Oh, because there's no longer a clutch in it.
Oh, you burnt your clutch up.
Yeah, no, it's not burnt up. It's disintegrated.
Did you send it all over the track? We're not gonna talk about that. Okay. Wow. So there you have it, guys. Tonight we got pretty much like 3 good runs. The best time of tonight was like an 11.2 at like 121 mile per hour. So not too bad for a fully stock car. I'm very satisfied with it. Cameron destroyed his clutch completely. So we'll be putting a clutch in his Supercharged 3 valve pretty soon. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button. And until next time, see ya.
I beat this slow ass C8. Yeah, it was a good night.
Wow.
Slow ass blue C8.
The disrespect just keeps coming.
That's crazy. You gotta get them back. My clutch is gone.